Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Tron coin, as this is another bullish week for the TRX coin. In fact, the TRX was moving down to break down the support of this channel with the Bitcoin and other top altcoins. The Tron coin was also following the movement of the Bitcoin and likely to break down the support. But now we can see at the starting of this week, after 29th of June, the price action is surged more than 15% and moved back into this channel that was likely to be broken down. And if it will be moved more up to this resistance of the channel, then that will be more 18% more bullish move. Now, if we watch the movement of the different altcoins and the Bitcoin as well, and most of the altcoins, then they have broken down the support of the up channel that was formed on the daily chart, like the Tron coin has formed on this daily chart. And the basic reason that stopped the price action to break down this support of the channel, in my point of view, was this announcement by the Justin Sun. And this was the announcement on the Twitter that after nearly a year in development, Tron smart contract privacy protocol will finally be released as an integral part of Tron. So this is the event that saved the price action of TRX to follow the movement of the Bitcoin this week, and the price action is re-entered in this channel. I'm expecting more powerful bullish move in coming days. At least it will make another attempt to break out the resistance of this channel. And if I place the pitchfork tool on this channel, this is really a very useful tool to see the long-term projection of the price action if it is moving in any channel, like the up channel or the down channel, where the price action can move. For example, I'm just placing this pitchfork in the center like this and this. And just place it in the center of this channel. Now we can see the long-term projection of the price action. For example, if the price action will not break down or break out this channel in the future, and it will be continuously moving in this channel in the upward move, because this is an up channel, then where it can go. For example, if this is a support and this is the resistance, at this time we have the resistance at almost 2 cents, and we have the support at almost 1.7 cents. Then after a few days, if it will be moving continuously within this channel, then on here, and this can be, I'm just trying to find out the dates, where the dates are gone. Okay, let me show you the dates. For example, this is 11th of July. And if it will be moving in this position, now we have the dates available up to 5 August. For example, if it will be moving within this channel up to 5 August, over here, 2nd, 4, and 5, then the resistance of the channel will be almost at 2 cents. That is almost at 1.8 cents. This is the support, sorry. And the resistance of the channel will be moved at almost 2.9 cents. That is almost 3 cents. And it will be good for the price action, whether it will not break down or break out the support or resistance, and it will be still moving within this channel, then it will be good for the TRX. Because this is an up channel, the price action will be moving up continuously. Now, if we watch the EMAs, the exponential moving averages, then since the price action has broken out these two EMAs, this is the this blue one is with the time period of 10, and this red one is with the time period of 21. And the price action has broken out these two EMAs, the exponential moving averages. It is using these two EMAs as a very good support, and whenever the price action moves on these two EMAs, it took bounce from the EMAs and start another bullish rally. At this time, it was retesting these two EMAs and almost broke down here at this level at 28th of June, these two EMAs. But in the very next candlestick, that is started on 29th of June, the price action turned bullish, and we have seen a sequence of bullish candlesticks. And finally, the price action is moving above these two EMAs. At this time, after breaking out these two EMAs, the price action is again retesting the exponential moving 10 at this time. So this is another very good signal, the bullish signal, that the price action has crossed up these two EMAs, and these two exponential moving averages will really helpful for the price line to push, to provide a strong push, a bullish push that can lead the price action up to the resistance of this channel. Now, if we watch the simple moving averages with the time period of 25 and 50, then we can see that previously the price action broke down the 25 simple moving average, and it was at the support of 50 simple moving average. But after 29th of June on this daily chart, the price action turned again bullish and started a bullish rally for up to or more than 15%, and crossed up the 25 simple moving average again. At this time, it is also retesting the 25 simple moving average as a support. It might retest this this moving average as a support in the future, maybe today or tomorrow. Now, if I take you to this chart, this is a long-term weekly chart, and we have already seen in my previous videos that the price action has formed a descending triangle, and after hitting at the resistance, the price action was moving down, as we have seen in my previous video, that the price action was likely to move down, and I was expecting that the price action may retest the previous resistance, previous support level that is almost at 1.2 cent. This is support of this descending triangle. But after two bearish candlesticks on the weekly chart, now the current week has been started on 29th of June, and we can see that after the starting of this candlestick, we can see that a bullish move is started, and new candlestick that is appeared on 29th of June is in green bullish color. So this is a really very positive and bullish signal that after hitting at the resistance, the price action was likely to move down up to the support, as I was expecting that it will retest the support, as after being rejected from here, it was turned bearish and again reached at the support, and after being rejected at this level, it was again moved back to the support, and I was expecting that it will be moved back again to the support, but at this time it is turned again bullish. So I'm expecting that it will again make another attempt to break out this resistance of a descending triangle, like we had this this kind of move here. After being rejected by this resistance line, the price action was moving down, but again turned bullish. But after making a strong attempt to break out this resistance level, the price action again rejected by this resistance line and moved all the way down up to this support of this descending triangle. So this time we can expect that the price action will again make another attempt to break out, and that will be a strong attempt, because at this time we also have the support of this event of TRON 4.0 that is announced by the Justin Sun. Now, if I take you to this long-term support and resistance level chart, then we have the last support at 1.27 cents, and this is the same level where we have the support of the descending triangle as well, and our next resistance level is at 2.3 cents. Then we have the resistance at almost 3 cents, then 4 cents, and our key level of resistance is at 8 cents. I'm not expecting that this time the price action will again move down to retest this previous support of 1.27, even though in my previous video I was expecting, but at this time we have again the support of the channel. As you can see that the price action is above the channel support, and we also have the support of the exponential moving averages with the time period of 10 and 21, and we also have the support of 25 simple moving average and the 50 simple moving average again on this daily chart. And on the weekly chart, the price action is again turning bullish to make another attempt to break out this descending triangle resistance. Therefore, the price action will try to move up to at least resistance of this descending triangle to make another attempt, or it can also move up to this level where we have the resistance of this channel that is almost at 2 cents or 1.9 cents. So at this time, I'm not expecting that the price action will move back again because we have several supports that can stop the price line to move back to the last support at 1.27 cents. Finally, I would like to recall this very big bullish shark pattern that is formed on the monthly chart by the price action of TRON. And I posted this chart back in September 2019. And finally, you can see that at this time, for example, if I refresh this chart, then the price action was just entered in the potential reversal zone and completed its final leg in the month of September 2019. And I posted this chart. And I'm just playing this chart again before you, and you can see that the price action turned bullish after entering in this potential reversal zone. As per Fibonacci sequence of bullish shark, it was supposed to enter at this level, that is 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of C2D leg, and it surged more than 114%. This candlestick is more than 114% from this level up to this spike of the candle. And after that, the price action dropped down again in this potential reversal zone, and again it is turning bullish at this time. And we can see that this is the third bullish candlestick appeared on the weekly chart. Therefore, I'm expecting that the price action will soon enter again in this potential sell zone or the Fibonacci projection. That is the projection of C2D leg. However, if the price action will cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci projection, because this is the big hurdle for the price line to cross up a strong resistance. If the price action will be able to cross up this level, then it can start a really very long-term strong bullish rally. So I'm expecting this move by the price action. Like if I take you to my ADA chart, the Cardano chart that I posted. Let me just show you that chart. Yes, I posted this chart on 24th of March when the price action completed the final leg of this bullish butterfly pattern on the monthly chart. And you can see that it is turned a really very strong bullish, and at this time it is trying to cross up this level, that is 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, because this is the bullish butterfly pattern, and in the case of bullish butterfly pattern, we target the Fibonacci projection area of A to D leg. But if it is shark pattern or cipher pattern, then we target the area Fibonacci area that is the projection of C to D leg. So at this time, the ADA is trying to break out this 0.786 Fibonacci projection level, and if the candlestick will cross up this level, it will turn more strong bullish, and it can start a really very strong bullish rally for the long term. Same as like this move I'm expecting by the TRX as well, because it is going very good at this time. It is moving, even you can say that it is moving against the Bitcoin, like the ADA is moving against the Bitcoin. The TRX is likely to move against the Bitcoin, and if it will behave like the ADA, then definitely it will cross up this 0.786. That is a big hurdle for the price action. Then soon we can see that the price action of TRX can cross up these next resistance levels, and if the price action will cross up this 4 cent resistance level, then there is no significant resistance from 4 cent up to 8 cents, as you can see on this long-term weekly chart. Maybe there will be some short-term and mid-term resistance levels on the hourly charts and on the daily chart, but I'm showing you the long-term resistance and support levels, and we don't have any significant resistance between 4 cents up to 8 cents. Therefore, if the price action will cross up this 4 cent resistance level, then it within a very short period of time, the price action will fill this gap that is more than 100% gap. That will be filled within a very short time period, and the price action will try to break out this 8 cents resistance. And once this 8 cents resistance will be broken out, then on the long term we don't have any significant resistance from 8 cents up to 35 cents. Yes, there are several resistance on the midterm, like on the daily chart, on the 2-day chart, and on the hourly chart as well. I'm talking about the long-term weekly chart. Then it will be easy for the price line to move up to 35 cents on the long term very easily. So this was the update so far by the price action of TRX. If there will be more updates, I will definitely share with you. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to my channel, and do share your opinions in the comment section as well, and do share my videos as well. Take care. Goodbye.